Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can apply makeup to only some of your facial features on CapCut PC. So just simply go to Enhance and scroll down, and if you go to Makeup and select Looks, it's going to apply it to your whole face, as you can see. Sometimes it looks unnatural, so what I like to do is I like to apply it one by one, starting from lashes. Let's like select this one. Wait, this one. Then we're going to go to eyeshadow, and we're going to select one. You can also again adjust the opacity of it as well, and then a lipstick. Again, you can adjust the opacity as well here. And yeah, that is pretty much it. That's how you can add it like one by one. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!